Welcome to Spring LIB.
Good day. The topic is about partial pressure. By Dalton's law, we say that partial pressure of a certain component I in a gas mixture is directly proportional or is equal to the mole fraction of the said component times the total pressure. So we find here that the partial pressure or PI is directly proportional to the mole fraction Xi. So that the greater the mole fraction is, the greater also is the partial pressure. Consider oxygen gas in air at under atmospheric condition near the Earth's surface. The partial pressure the partial pressure of oxygen gas is 0.21, where the total pressure is 1 atmosphere. It follows that the mole fraction of oxygen gas is equal to, so we rearrange the equation here, Pi equals Xi Pt to solve for Xi, or in this case X oxygen, that gives us P partial pressure of oxygen over total pressure, or that's 0.21 over 1, or that's 0.21, or in terms of percent, mole percent, that's 21%. So now we want to find the mole percent of oxygen if the total pressure is equal to 8.38, which is the total pressure at a certain depth of 250 feet from the surface. So since we established that the partial pressure or the mole percent of oxygen at atmospheric condition is 21%, in order for, if the pressure is changed, the total pressure is changed to be 8.38%, and if the partial pressure of the oxygen gas at that given partial total pressure of 8.38 is the same as the partial pressure when the pressure is 1 atmosphere, so it follows that the mole fraction must still be the same. So we put it this way: since we require the partial pressure of oxygen gas in a total pressure of 8.38 atm to be the same as that in 1 atm gas mixture, it follows that the mole fraction must be also the same. Or that's 21%. So I hope that helps.